We are at Capital One Hall in McLean, Virginia, and we are at the ArtsFairfax Awards lunch, which is an annual event that I'm so excited to be a part of. We recognize an incredible diversity in arts offerings in this county. And so we've structured the awards to allow for a real wide range of sizes of organization, types of art, arts organizations, education organizations, this type of thing. And so the framework for the awards is as follows. We have 2 awards that are given annually. One is the Philanthropy Award, and the other is the Jinx Hazel Award. This is the premier arts recognition award in our county. So those 2 are every year. Then we give out awards on a rotating basis to recognize education, impact, innovation, emerging artists.
As the Virginia Commission for the Arts, we are really looking at the state level to our local organizations to serve as incredible and invaluable resources. So our goal is really to reach as many citizens as we can through the arts. And Arts Fairfax embodies that goal by serving as a local resource and elevating the arts right here in Fairfax.
I can remember a time where most of the arts activities in the county were centered in very remote locations, and one of the things that Arts Fairfax has done in a profound way is involve vulnerable communities, and so through money raised and support to the arts organizations to allow arts programming to be available to people in all corners of the county. And one of the things that I really love that they're doing is providing arts opportunities and access in a lot of our Title I schools with our partners at the Fairfax County Public Schools. And so, you know, arts should not be available only to people who can afford them, but really should be available to everyone in the county. And we know that, you know, arts are so important to people's emotional and mental health, in our young people and the ways that they can express themselves. So this is not a nice thing to have. This is a really important requirement for us to support in the county and make sure that arts programming can really reach every corner of the county.